Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis. This is part one of my third vacuum competition. The contestants are this this Hoover here. It is the Hoover React model UH73301. And just freeze it anywhere you wish on this cheat sheet. And the other contestant is this Shark Navigator Liftaway. Those are badass headlights it's got on there. And here's its cheat sheet. Model UV650. Which I found right inside this box here by a dumpster. But these attachments were in the dumpster. This is the pet hair tool, the 12-inch crevice, which appear to have never been used. I also found this. It works with this, but I don't think it's an original attachment. And I even found the owner's manual. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Marshall Curtis, and this is the end of part one. In part two, I'll do this, and in part three, I'll do this. Thanks for watching. Peace out.